in today's video, we will be looking at some of the silly mistakes that the students commit in the VARC section. So whether you are solving a verbal ability question or you are solving a reading comprehension question, there are certain things that you commit on and often which should be avoided in order to score better. So let's look at in these terms here. Look at these here. So first one, you have misinterpreting the question. Now sometimes what happens is when you are doing reading comprehension, sometimes students don't understand the question well. So you should be avoiding this habit that you read the question in a very fast manner so that you don't understand what exactly the question is asking you to do. So don't misinterpret the question. Take your time, read the questions carefully and then try to answer it. That's the first part. Second part, selecting extreme answer choices. Make sure that you are not selecting extreme choices, because in 99% cases most of these extreme choices are not your answer. So don't commit this silly mistake. Don't mark extreme options as your answer. Third thing, ignoring context in vocabulary based questions. Now you know in your examination they mostly ask you contextual based questions where you have to keep in touch in terms of the context of the sentence and then you have to answer these vocabulary based questions. Fourth thing, rushing through RC passages. Make sure you are devoting ample time to read the passage. Too fast or too slow is never welcome here. So there has to be a fine balance in terms of how you are solving these passages. Then falling for the trap answers. Whether you are doing a verbal ability question or an RC question, there are traps that is laid out for you. You need to ensure that you don't commit this mistake of falling into the trap and navigate easily in terms of looking for the traps and avoiding them. So this is important. Then the sixth one, over reliance on prior knowledge. I have told you multiple times that when it comes down to reading comprehension, no prior knowledge should be required in answering the passage. Your answer has to come exclusively from the passage only, and no prior information is to be used in answering the passages. Then poor time management. Well, you have to make a balance in terms of how much time you are taking for a verbal ability question and how much time are you taking for solving one RC. So there has to be a fine balance between the two, and make sure that you don't underspend or overspend your timing when it comes down to solving these questions. Last but not the least, not checking for grammar in VA questions. Even if you are doing a vocabulary question or a para completion question, sometimes these grammar contexts help you to narrow down your choices, and this helps you big time. So these are the 8 pointers. Reread and revisit this video again and again. Just make sure that you are not committing these mistakes and you keep learning.